The Well-Lived Life, Live with Purpose and Be Remembered by Lyndsay is a guide on how to live a meaningful life and create a legacy that lasts beyond one's lifetime. Drawing from research, interviews, and personal experience, Green shares wisdom on aging, relationships, personal growth, and the importance of purpose. Here's a brief summary. Legacy vs. material success. Green emphasizes that true legacy is not about material wealth or accomplishments, but about relationships, values, and the impact we leave on others. This shift from materialism to meaning is a key theme. Intergenerational connections. One of the most important parts of a well-lived life is maintaining strong connections across generations. Green advocates for actively passing on values, wisdom, and lessons to younger people, ensuring that the legacy lives on through relationships, personal growth, and reflection. Green highlights the importance of ongoing personal development, even in later years. This involves reflecting on one's life, learning from experiences, and being open to change and growth. Facing mortality. Rather than fearing death, Green encourages readers to confront their mortality, using it as motivation to live purposefully. She argues that considering the end of life can help us prioritize what truly matters. The role of gratitude and generosity. Gratitude, kindness, and generosity are essential ingredients of a meaningful life. Green explains how giving back, helping others, and showing appreciation contribute to a sense of fulfillment. Creating meaningful rituals. Green also discusses how rituals, whether small daily practices or larger family traditions, play a key role in shaping a well-lived life, providing comfort, connection, and meaning. Overall, the book is a practical, compassionate guide to making the most of life, especially in one's later years, by focusing on relationships, personal growth, and living with purpose. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time, happy reading.